How to check the battery health on your iPhone 8 Plus. This helps you see your battery's condition, its maximum capacity, and whether it still supports peak performance. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Now scroll down and tap Battery. On the battery page, tap Battery Health and Charging. Here you'll see maximum capacity. This number shows how much charge your battery can hold compared to when it was brand new. For example, if your iPhone shows battery health at 100%, that's great news. It means your battery is performing like a brand new battery and can still hold its full original charge. As the percentage drops over time, your battery won't last as long between charges. Next, look at peak performance capability. If your battery is working normally, you'll see a message saying that your battery is currently supporting normal peak performance. You'll also find the optimized battery charging option. Keeping this feature turned on helps reduce battery aging by slowing down charging when your iPhone predicts it will stay plugged in for an extended period. If your maximum capacity drops below 80%, or if iOS displays a message that your battery's health has significantly degraded, it may be time to consider replacing the battery for better performance and battery life. And that's all. That's how you can quickly check the battery health on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.